Hi, this is Candace here. Welcome. Good morning. So, yesterday I cleaned my bathroom and that I pooped. So today I have to do my laundry and it's a massive. It's massive, the amount of laundry we have. Okay, so I'm feeling blah, like I'm really feeling like, So, what I'm gonna do is make me a smoothie. Maybe I already had my little vitamin. Maybe that'll give me some energy or whatever like that. So, yeah. I have my good old agave for sweetener. I have my banana, which is going to be another sweetener. And you know, the browner and beat up it looks, the sweeter it is. I learned that. We have my granola because I love a crunch. So this is fruit and nut granola. Has oats, raisins, cranberries, almonds, and walnuts. And then I have my frozen strawberries that I purchased from the good old Dollar Tree. So, then I have my little mason jar. I'm gonna put it in. So let's get right into this, shall we? Let's see if I can open the strawberries like a boss. You know what? I don't know where the scissors are. So hopefully this butter knife works. Yep, the butter knife works. So I just punctured the bag. I punctured it right here. Then I'm gonna rip it. I'm gonna rip her open. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? Because this is a little thirsty. So let me turn you like so. This is the blender. This is actually the Nook blender. It's the baby blender. I'm using this one because I don't know where the blade is to my Ninja, but this will still get the job done. So I'm going to put the banana. First I peel the banana. Oh, it's perfect. The banana. I don't chop it and all that. I just break sis in and throw her in. Banana. I'm gonna put in some strawberries. Some frozen strawberries, so I don't need ice. And I'm gonna open my granola. I don't need any scissors or anything because it came like pre-cut on the side. So I add the granola because I love a little chunk. Like I love to drink and chew. It's so weird. I know I'm weird. So I don't measure it, guys. Am I supposed to measure it? Okay. Now, off to the sweetener. So, I'm not going to use a lot. I think a teaspoon was all. Do I have a measuring spoon? I'm just going to wing it. I'm just going to wing it. Put a little drizzle. That should be enough because we have the banana. Oh, the almond milk. That's the most important ingredient. I was looking like, what next? So the almond milk. And my good old faithful almond milk. So pour it in. Like so, and that is most likely 16 ounces probably. I don't know. It has it numbered here on the blender. So I put the lid on. And I put it on. As soon as I turn it, it blends. The fun thing about this is this little opening here, so I usually taste it to see if it's okay. It's good, guys. I'm gonna add a little more almond milk. And I'm gonna do a little bit more blending. For the simple fact that I want the oats to be a little bit more fine. Just a smidge of almond milk more. So after everything is blended, it went up. It's almost at 24 ounces. See, I put the lid on. I'm gonna take it off because okay. And voila, she's done. Gonna take the cup here. Gonna take the milkshake here. This is what they do on the ASMR. So there's a little bit more left in here. Voila, she's done. This is so good. I'm only drinking it down some, so I can pour the rest. When the oats got stuck in the straw. This is good. So this is finished. What I'm gonna do is take this and put it in the sink and put some water in it. Like, and rinse it out, not put water in it. It doesn't use soap. I use to rinse it. I do that because I don't want the smoothie stuff to stick in it. It becomes hard in that way. So you'll make your job much easier. Like I have you know, people who let dishes soak. This is the gag. You only let something soak if it's something stuck at the bottom, but if it can get rinsed out right then and there, just do it right then and there. Then you won't have to worry about doing it later, dishes piling up, it being difficult, you know what I mean? And you know, you just clean as you go, like put the milk back, put the strawberries back, put this in the sink. You already have a Clorox wipe here, so you just throw away your wrappers, put the agave back. Then unplug this, wipe down the counter, and voila! Your kitchen don't even look like you was in it. So you just clean as you go. That's what I do. So it won't get so overwhelming, you know what I mean? Just clean as you go. It won't all like pile up and stuff. This is supposed to be make a smoothie with me, and it turned into some cleaning tips. Here's my smoothie. Yum. I love the flavor of like banana. Then it has a little chew. Then it has a little sweetness from the agave and the banana. So guys, try to get agave. I think it's better than sugar. That's what they say. You don't need as much. Because I find myself with sugar, like I'm adding. Even with the brown sugar, I use more of that because it's not as sweet as the regular sugar. Okay, so that's it for me. I'm gonna drink my smoothie. I'll probably be making a little oatmeal because, you know, they say food is fuel. And I have to do that laundry. So your girl need a little fuel. So thanks for watching. Bye.